Here is the entrance gate to Dam Sen Tourist Park. This gate is new, but the park itself is already a legend. The bumper cars, such a classic game that brings back so many childhood memories. Dam Sen is the closest amusement park to the city, but nowadays it's only crowded during holidays like that. Now my family is heading over to the game area. Dam Sen has been renovated, but I feel it's not very fresh or innovative. The soul of that amusement park is just people, but nowadays Dam Sen Park Tri Park, not a water park, is quite empty. Looking at these airplane rides reminds me of when I was just a little kid. Now they probably wouldn't even let me ride them anymore. And this carousel seems to be a classic ride that every amusement park must have. It's a thrill ride. People are screaming quite loudly. After some intense discussion, my family decided to try this hot air balloon ride. A childhood game, but one that makes older people dizzy. Over here, they've set up some thrill rides. It looks dizzy just watching them. This is the view from inside the hot air balloon, guys. Feeling dizzy yet? Wow, this ride feels like a free fall, and it even teases you a few times. Really nerve-wracking. I feel like I know every single ride in every area in Dam Sen. My family decided to try a moderately thrilling ride, the Monorail. I'm standing at station waiting, guys. The train has arrived. Now we're on the train, taking a full loop around Dam Sen. The thrill here isn't from the ride itself, but from the uneasy feeling of sitting on the train with only one rail. The view around is nice though. Water, trees, very beautiful. There are two performers dressed up as four people dancing. Quite unusual, guys. The legendary lake and the beautiful bridge in Dam Sen Park. This castle is for teenagers. I'm already over the hill, so I pass. The zigzag path across the Lotus Lake, the pavilion, the Ferris wheel, everything feels so familiar. I really like the areca palm trees along the lakeside. They are so tall.
Nhiều quà lắm. Rồi bé xíu đứng đây. Rồi bé xíu đứng đây. Rồi bé.
Coming here, of course, we have to go paddle boating. But I don't understand why people call it duck paddling when it's clearly a swan. Going to Dam Sen is about returning to a place of memories, relaxing, and letting yourself wander a bit. Not really about going all out on rides, at least for me. My family lives nearby, so whenever we have free time, we often come here on weekends.